have squash here. This is butternut squash. And for now, I am going to harvest zucchini. There's one here too hiding. See this one? There's also butternut squash. I'm going to harvest this like sort of overgrown zucchini. Look at that, it's huge. I'm going to bake this with shrimp and cheese. And there are more like zucchini here. There are tiny ones too, look at this. And that one is a perfect size, I think. This is a huge zucchini, so one should be enough. I'm going to cook this with garlic and cheese. Oh, I need to harvest tomatoes too, so it will be like zucchini and tomatoes. Some of these peaches too. There is a spider. This one. Oh, look how big. Beautiful peach. This is like red baron. I'm going to cook this like squash and this, and then the peaches are for snacking. Beautiful looking tomato. This is gold medal. Look at how huge. And this is very delicious too. This is my favorite this season. Harvesting this orange tomatoes. These tiny orange tomatoes. So it has like a different color. So you have like this is super ripe. We have yellow, orange, and yellow orange. Look at this. And here's my harvest. The tomatoes, the figs, the grapes, and then the peaches. Look at those tomatoes. Love the color. Goes on to our stuff. And then I'm going to get more apricots over there. Look at those apricots. And then strawberries. And I am going to harvest some pears. We have all these like pears, and they are ready. They look like chayote. Look at this. This one is ready. This one too. Josh, come here, harvest some. Oh, it fell. It's super ripe. I harvested 5 pears, 2, 4, 5. Here's my fig harvest. My evening fig harvest. I harvest almost every day. That fig tree is very prolific. This is the flower of an artichoke. So you can grow artichoke as like, or like for their like fruits. I'm not sure if they're called fruits. So this one we can cook. This one too. Along with that one, and then the other one. Those are ready for cooking. But this one is past its prime. This one is about to bloom. Along with that one, the other one. This one is gorgeous. Look at that. Bees love this. So you can either grow artichoke as a flower or as a fruit or both. We are growing them both. There are some donut peaches or southern peaches freshly picked from our backyard garden. There are more there. And there's a rose there. There's a lot of peaches, but they're like all the way out there. Like strawberries. Actually 2. Oh, this one is still small. There you go. This one is ready. This is nectar plum, a cross between nectarine and plum. Oh, there's a rose here. Let's get probably 3. This one is not ready. try this one. And then one more. That one looks good. Here's my harvest: nectar plum and peach. My freshly picked tomatoes. Colorful tomatoes. I have the grapes here. Look at these beautiful grapes. And then we have more over there. So I'll get the grapes.
Here's our harvest. Here we have the grapes. Here we have the figs. Here we have the tomatoes and the big one. And here we have the nectarine and the strawberry.
Yes. Thank you, Papa. It's just to present our dinner.
So here we have salami.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have some cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Some
Do you remember
tomato.
where we got the cheese?
Yes, we got it from Napa.
Yes.
And here's the tomatoes, the nectarine, the grapes, and one right here, some honey, this candle, and figs, and also bread, and then the drinks.
Yes.
And then the chandon we got from Napa.
Yes, we got the chandon from Napa. And then the tomato salad. How's your juice?
It's good.
Okay. I already harvested some apricots here. Let's just add more. On my garden harvest. We have a lot of this, like grapes. And we have peaches too, and pears and figs. So let's take a garden tour. This is our blueberry grapevine. Blueberry grapevine, the fruit tastes like blueberry, or it has like a blueberry like hint, and like the fruits are also kind of like, look at those, they look like blueberry too, right? So this is our blueberry grapevine, which is always very prolific. I hear a June bug. June bugs love our figs. So let's start here. This is our herb garden, but here we have a plum tree. This is a plum tree, and this is a nectarine tree. This one I have a lot of fruits too that I need to harvest. The fruits are beautiful. I think this is like ripe. Yeah, it is ripe. It's actually super ripe. And there are more fruits up there. So this is a nectarine tree, and here we have, right behind this plum tree, we have a variegated calamondin tree, and then this is another blueberry bush. We have more blueberry bush on the other side. This is mint. I think this is, let me check. Oh, this is orange mint. And then that's a jute bag. This is oregano. And this is basil. We have a stage there that I need to fix. And then here we have rosemary. And then this one is a lemon verbena. And let's wait until that passes by. This June bag is like doesn't know where to go. That's the June bag. And then this one is, look at how tall. This is a laurel plant. This is nasturtium. Let's go as low as here. You see these grapes, there are fruits here. And then here a little bit. And then more up there. I put this trellis together and I have a video putting this together. This is a really nice trellis for the grapes. And then more up there. And then this is the 6 citrus. It has 6 citrus in one plant. It has like I think 3 oranges, like lemon, it has Meyer lemon, it has bear's lime, it has like different oranges. I think four oranges. And then this one is a Valencia orange. And then we have a box here that we need to take care of. We have peppers, and then these are beets. We need to clean up our garden. And this one is a yuzu lemon. This is our kale tree. It's taller than me. What is this? This is a satsuma mandarin. This is kumquat. It still has like a little bit of fruits, and it's flowering again. And this is our fig tree, the June bug's favorite. I hear June bugs buzzing. Like all these fruits, a lot of fruits. I have like a bowl of like figs in the kitchen that I harvested last night, like yesterday. And like a lot more ready to harvest too. And this is another grapevine. This is, I think I need to harvest this. This one all goes all the way out there. This is perlet grapes. And we have peppers here. Different varieties of peppers. And then tomatoes over there. So this is like the yellow pear tomatoes. Look at those. This is Israel. And this one is Big Boy. This is Lemon Blush. I love this one. This for lunch today. These are from the fig tree. Seeds from the fig tree. This is lemon blush. And then this one is Noir de Creme. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Noir de Creme. And then here, oh look at this fig. Or here. And this is a pear tree with lots of fruits. More on that side. I think that side has like ripe fruits. This is a calamondin tree. It has flowers. More flowers here. And tiny fruit. I'm harvesting a peach for my breakfast. Just one peach. Ah, look at this. This is beautiful. Peaches are gorgeous. Here's my peach harvest. Look at this beautiful looking peach. So let's Open this and look at that. And it's very crunchy and juicy. It's a little gloomy this morning. Here is my peach. I'm eating this gorgeous looking peach. Oh, like the blur, look at that. The background turns blurry when you have something in like focus. So here's the inside of the peach. This is, I think this is kind of like white peach.